Okay, so this is a brief overview of our Sani22. We've just got one in our showroom, so I thought I'd just give you a quick run around on it. We've got a nice steel base and a stainless steel pole. We've then got the drip area, the dispense, and the informational screen. All we need to do is to put our hands inside the display to get a nice dispense and clean our hands. What you'll notice as I did that is that immediately the screen changed, which has got our APK on it, explaining that I should be sanitising my hands for 20 seconds. As soon as the 20 seconds are up, it would ask me to thank you and proceed, and then move across to invite the next person to come along. So this has actually got the 500 nit screen in it, so it's lovely and bright. We're in a real bright environment here. And on the top, we've got an alert button which shows the status of the product. If I press the alert button, what you'll see is we get a message on the screen saying opening. Now if I actually hold that button down for a period, you will hear that it releases the housing on the case. I pick it up and these two stays just come into place to support the case, nice and stable. You'll also notice, which I don't think you can probably see, but the message on the screen actually goes and shows that the case is open. Still looking at that message, if I now remove the bottle, what you'll see is it then gives the informative information that the filler bottle's removed to be topped up. All right, so coming down onto the dispense area, what we've got is the dispense mechanism, the filler bottle and the support. This is the standard 2,000 milliliter bottle, but this is designed as a housing to be able to take different size bottles, or a cartridge system we'll talk about later. Inserting the bottle is really easy. Once you've filled it up, you just place it in here, slide it in, and you just have to raise the small fork so as it's there and it's in place. What then happens up here is the message goes off and tells you that the case is just open because the bottle's been put back in. If I support the case on the far end and just push these up, dropping it down really easily, and then I just press the case here to close it. It then shows me that the display is ready, and it will then go back to operational practice. There is a small light. If you can come around to the back, you'll be able to see from here. This is the back side that is nice and smooth, but what you'll see here is there's a small light on the top. When this is illuminated, it shows the display is ready for dispensing, and it also acts as the button, so it's the button that we press to release the case or for other features. So what you can see is it's a nice smooth acrylic capped body, very easy to wipe clean. This one's got 80% alcohol in it, works really well, dispenses reliably. Okay, so this is the back side, so to speak, of the Sani22. What you'll see is it's got a nice strong chassis section, and the acrylic backing up the top. It's got keyhole mounts that are here, so you drill the wall, put two screws in, mount it on the wall, get it square, and then put some locking bolts through here into the wall as well, so it can't be lifted off. On this particular version at the moment, you can see it's mounted on the stand. That is really very, very simply put together. You put the base on, you put the pole on, which is a nice stainless steel 50mm, actually 60mm pole. Once that's tensioned up and solid, then there's 4 bolts that hold in the bottom of the unit, hold it all together. What you'll see there is that we've only actually put 2 bolts in currently, just because it's on the demo at the moment. It's just about to come apart to be shipped out. Thank you.